Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest and quickest way to make fluffy, perfect white rice straight from your microwave. So all you're going to need for this is 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, a microwavable safe bowl with a lid or microwavable safe plastic wrap. Optional seasoning, I'll be using salt and pepper. And finally, a fork for fluffing. So step 1, you just want to rinse your rice in cold water. This will remove any excess starch and helps keep the rice from getting too sticky. Just give it a good rinse until the water runs clear. Next, add your rinsed rice to your bowl and pour in 2 cups of water. This ratio is really important. 1 cup of rice to every 2 cups of water gives you the best results. Add your salt and pepper if you're using it and stir everything together. Now cover your bowl either with a lid or plastic wrap. If you're using plastic wrap, poke a couple of holes to let the steam escape. Now pop it in the microwave. Set your microwave to high and cook for 13 minutes. About halfway through, pause the microwave, give the rice a stir and check the moisture. If it looks too dry, add a small amount of water. Pop it back in the microwave and continue cooking until the time is up. Once the time's up, check your rice. If it looks too watery on the top or at the edges, don't worry. Just stir it gently and pop it back in the microwave for another 1 to 2 minutes. This will help it absorb any excess moisture. When your rice is cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes. This resting time is really important as it allows the steam to finish cooking the rice and ensures it's perfectly fluffy. Now for the fun part, use a fork to gently fluff the rice, and there you have it, perfectly cooked rice without a cooker. If you found this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.